Okay, I'm going to be installing a cup holder onto this bicycle. So we're going to, and check this out. You're like, what is that right there? Well, that is what's going to snap onto a bar right here or down here, probably up on top, but we'll get to that in a minute. So first we're going to remove this right here. So we're going to just get this off here very quickly, or quick enough. One hand. Alright. That should remove our beverage holder. Now we just have the beverage holder. See those holes right there? That's what this will go through, and it'll be really cool. Oh no, I'm gonna have to get a specific bit for that right there. Okay, so alright, have to get a bit and loosen that. I really wanted to make this one take, but I guess we'll make it 2 takes. 3, 2, 1, action. Okay, so got the specific bit here, and so we're going to loosen this right here. Oh, lost it. That always happens. Anyway, so that loosens it. There we go, check that out. So you can kind of see what's going to happen. So we'll probably put it, I like to put it down here, but these, I believe this goes up here. So, alright. Alright, so this right here comes out, and then this part will go through there. Like that. Okay, the place I can get it to fit is right here. So put that on there just like so, and then this part will slide in, and you put that in there, and then tighten it down. Alright, take your 2 screws and put them in each of these holes in here that you took off, the 2 screws you took off from the original packaging. Put them in there, tighten them down, which my screwdriver drill, I can just barely get in there, and it actually tightened them down. So there you go, and I can still fit my hand over here and for the brakes. So we'll see how that does. That's how you install the beverage holder. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Thank you. Alright, that fits in there. It's got the little grips in there. See, like that? There you go. Stays in there pretty good. So that's pretty nifty. Little cup holder for your bike. Eventually I'll get one for down there, but alright. I think that was like $8. I think it's like $8 at the local big box store. Alright, ride safe.